Hi friends, welcome to the Exams Daily YouTube channel. Today in this video, I would like to share you about the latest and important notification which was released by OMC. So before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. OMC is nothing but the Odisha Mining Corporation Limited. It is a gold category and the largest PSU in mining sector. So they have released the advertisement for the requirement for the postings of many posting, and they have also mentioned the criteria and some of the eligibilities. So in this video, I will explain you in a detailed manner about this notification. So come, let's see. So they have given for the name of the posting, that is for manager mining and DY manager mining, foreman, mining mate, blaster and surveyor. So there are 6 posting and total number of postings are 93, and they have also classified the postings based on the categories. So if you are belonging to that categories, you can check through it. And they have also given some of the notes, that is for women, ex-servicemen and sportsmen, PWD, reservation have been given as per government rules. So if you are belonging to that, you can don't panic, or you can be aware of that thing also. Next is about the eligibility criteria. So for manager, the consolidated remuneration is 92,000. So for each and every posting, every year 10% hike will be renewed, and the contract will be also be renewed because it is a contract based postings. The contract will be of 3 years. So the basic qualification which they are expecting for manager in the field of mining is qualification BE or BTech in mining engineering with first class MMC, and experience is minimum of 6 years post degree, and preference will be given to the candidates having exposure in IT, software enabled mine planning, design and development. So the age should not be maximum of 40 years as on 1/1/2021. The next is for the posting of DY manager mining. So the consolidated remuneration for this is 80,000, and the qualification is same, BE BTech in mining engineering with second class MMC. So experience is to 4 years experience in post degree is enough, and preference will be given to the candidates having exposure in IT, software enabled mine planning. And if you are having first class MMCC, you will be added advantage also, and maximum age limit is 35 years as on 1/1/2021. Next is for foreman, and remuneration will be of 42,000, and diploma in mining with foreman competency certificate issued by DGMS, and no experience is expected, and you should not be more than 35 years, but you should be completing your 18 years of age. And next is about mining mate, 27,000, and the education qualification is HSC with mining mate certificate of competency, and the same age criteria. And for blaster also the same remuneration, that is to 27,000 rupees, and HC with blaster certificate of competency and the same age criteria. And for survivor, 42,000 rupees with prevention of 10%, and diploma in mine survey mining engineering from AICTE and the same age criteria. So if you are fulfilling these criteria, age limit and some of the things, you can apply for this posting, and the application mode will be of offline only. And here they have given the upper age limit based on the reservation and for some of the categories, so can check through it. So here you will be of selecting based on the walk-in interview. So you will be attending the interview face to face, then you will be selected. So for manager and manager in mining sector, the date and time is 21/2021 to 22/1/2021, and the venue of the interview has been given, so you can check through it. The interview will be held on Odisha. And for foreman, survivor, mining mate and blaster, 8/2/21 to 10/2/2021. So in these days the interview will be holding, and the venue of the interview has been given, so it is changing from the venue of manager posting interview, so you can check through it. So for how to apply, for this you have to go to the official website and you have to download the biodata format. So for your convenience, they have also given the biodata format in this PDF. So for your convenience, we have also given this PDF link in the description box, and you can click through it, and you can fill that, and you have to post that. And while doing your application procedure, you have to give your recent colored passport size photograph And additionally to that, you have to submit your self-attested copy of certificates, documents and qualifications, a caste certificate, experience certificate, etc. So you can attach that also, and you will be getting added weightage. So the next is selection methodology. So you will be selected based on your performance in the interview, and it will be also based on the percentage of reservation as well as the requirement. And the filling up of vacancies solely at the discretion of the management only. So nobody have the rights and no canvassing are there. So you have to give your certificates and testimonials at the time of interview also. So here they have given some of the general conditions. So you can check through it and read through it. So this is the application format. So you have to download that and you have to fill every column, and you have to give your basic and personal details and some of the details also, and you have to attest your copies, certificate copies, your testimonials, etc. So you have to fill through this very correctly. So please do your application procedure as soon as possible, and the interview dates have also been mentioned, so please be aware of that thing. So that's it. This is the information which they have been given in this notification. So for your convenience, we have given this PDF link in the description box, so I can get additional information and references also. So last but not the least, all the very best and best of luck for your interview. If you like this video and if you think this video is very useful for you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.